Right then guys, welcome back to my channel. Dave from WebFit Performance here. What I'm going to take you through today is the kettlebell swing, okay? So we're going to go through the key coaching points and the correct technique to do the swing optimally, okay? So what I want you to do is address the kettlebell directly so it's in between your feet and always take one step back, okay? Feet should be slightly wider than hip width apart. Okay, and then you're going to hinge from the hips. Okay, so we're in this position. I do not want to see that. All right, we want to really hinge. So from here, send the bum backwards into that good hinge position. You should feel the hamstrings activating, and you should be in a good neutral spine position. Okay, hands should come forwards with that spine still neutral, and then we activate it by swinging through the legs to start, and then driving them hips through, okay? So from here, through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it's for driving the hip forward, so hip extension, drive them glutes, squeeze the hamstrings, tighten that core, boom. Okay, that's what I want you to do. Really focus on flinging them hips, not nice and steady. Drive them hips nice and powerfully, squeeze forwards, work the glutes. Enjoy.